Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty. In today's video, I want to tell about trapezium, a quadrilateral. In another word, it is also called trapezoid. By definition, a trapezium or trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel lines known as bases, and the other two sides are called non-parallel legs. Here you can see, if I define the trapezium as A, B, C, and D, then AB and CD is called parallel lines. AB and CD are called parallel lines. And AD and CD are called non-parallel legs. AD and CD are called non-parallel lines. Non-parallel lines. To find out the area of the trapezium, we have to draw height of the trapezium. Let's draw two heights. One height is AE, which is perpendicular to CD, and another height is BF, which is also parallel to CD. We all know that height is perpendicular to base. That's why this angle is 90 degrees, and also BFC is equal 90 degrees. Now let's try to find out the area of the trapezium. If we try to find out the area of the trapezium, then we have to add the area of ADE triangle, ABFC quadrilateral, and BFC triangles. Let's try to find out the area. The area of the trapezium area of the trapezium A, B, C, D is equal to the area of triangle ADE plus quadrilateral ABFC plus the area of the triangle BFC. We all know that area of triangle ADE would be half of base into height. that means half of base DE multiplied by height AE plus you also know that a quadrilateral whose four angles are 90 degrees, you will find the area by multiplying its length and width. That's why the area of the AVFC would be like AAV multiplied by AE, and the area of BFC would be half of base FC multiplied by height BF. Since AE and BF is the height of triangle, height of quadrilateral ABCD, that's why they are equal. So we can replace BF by AE. So replace BF by A. Half of DE into multiplied by AE plus AB multiplied by AE plus half of FC multiplied by BF is replaced by AE. Here you can see AE is common in each three terms. Here half is also common in these two terms. If you get if you get common half of AE, then we will get DE from the first term and plus 2 of AB from the second term and FC from the third term. Let's try to simplify how these terms form. Here half of AE is equal actually A by 2. If we get common from AB, let's try to simplify how 2AB is formed. Here we have taken common half of AE. If we divide AB into AE by half of AE, that means A divided by 2, then we will get AV into AE multiplied by 2 by AE. Then we will get A and A are eliminated. So 2AV is the term we get from the line. Now we can break this 2AB like AB plus AB. If you add DE, that is DE, here you can see in the picture that AB is equal to EF. Then if we replace AB as EF, then we will get half of AE multiplied DE plus EF plus AV plus FC. Now, if you add DE, EF and FC from the picture, that means you are adding DE, EF and FC. Then you will get CD or DC. That means we get AE, DE plus EF plus FC is equal CD or DC plus AV. Here you can see A is the height of the trapezium, CD and AB are two parallel bases. That's why we got half of height. Half. That's why we got half multiplied by height multiplied by sum of two parallel lines. Sum of two parallel lines. That's why we can say the area of a trapezium would be half multiplied by h multiplied by sum of two parallel lines. Thank you, everybody.